Hi, what's up you guys? My name is Vivian from ThePaperLetterBlog, and today we're opening the Papierre writing paper subscription. And so especially for us who love pen pal mail, and of course I'm one of those persons who loves writing letters, so when someone pointed my attention towards Papierre, I was immediately hooked, and I know for a fact that I already pointed the attention of a lot of you guys to this subscription as well. Before I start this video, I do want to say that this video is not sponsored. Papierre does not pay me to say anything. No. The only thing is, this is my third time receiving their subscription, and all 3 times I have paid for the subscription with my own money. However, because it turned out to be rather successful for them as well, being that a lot of people have now found their subscription due to my videos, they have offered me to send the subscription to me for free from now on in return for these videos, which is of course for me really awesome. I get to do what I love doing, which is showing you fun pen paling supplies, and I also get it as a gift. So once again, not sponsored. I paid for this with my own money, but in the future I'm going to receive these for free. I did already cut this open. I have to say it seems to be here really fast. It's still the beginning of August, so that makes sense for when the subscription should arrive, but I have a feeling that the last one arrived not so long ago. This is like a monthly subscription, so yeah, it should come once a month, but it feels like it's only been like 3 weeks. Oh goodness. Okay, let me flip it upside down. Okay, so I have the 24 paper subscription, which means I get the 6 designs and then 4 papers of each. And because I do these videos, they have kindly included the envelopes for me as well, so that I can review them. And we're just gonna get started. It's always wrapped in this cute little gift bag, which I like reusing, and I like to keep it like this so that I don't get too many spoilers. But let me tell you, the first paper I see is immediately my style. Then we also have the little business card for their website, which is www.extraordinarypenpals.com, and then we also have this little referral card which I can include with a letter. Oh, before I forget, if you do sign up to Papierre, it would be kind of great if you could use my referral, which basically means that you subscribe to them and then afterwards you will be asked to fill out a form. One of the questions in that form is, who referred you to our subscription? And then if you would write Vivian at ThePaperLetterBlog to let the ladies know that I sent you, basically, that would be really amazing. What I was saying is that I know they sometimes work with a theme. For example, last month the theme was kids or like your childhood, and that was really not my style. I mean, there were some papers in there that I liked, but the majority I wouldn't have picked myself. There doesn't seem to be a theme this month, but the first paper is immediately really me. If I had to describe one of my favorite styles, watercolor florals would definitely be in the top 3. So I absolutely love this. I'm just gonna grab the envelope from the bottom of the stash. Ooh, cute. That's nice. I like that. It's a different image as well, so that's kind of cute, but obviously the same style. And then again we have this design on the bottom, quite like that. Yep. Okay, next one. Oh yeah, I was wondering about that. I was wondering if the upcoming designs were going to be fall themed, because it's going to be fall very soon. And this one seems to be Halloween themed. Sorry for the background sounds. I'm not alone in the house today. We've got a little mummy and a ghost. And while I don't actually normally buy anything Halloween themed, I do have to say I quite like this, because the background colors are really nice, really simple but pretty. And this doesn't bother me too much either. While usually I get a little bit, like usually Halloween themed stuff does not get me excited. I'm sorry, but this actually, yeah, I could see myself use this actually. Like, I always make a distinction between papers I'm going to use, papers I'm going to gift, but I think I might actually keep this myself. Oh, before I forget, envelope. Oh, okay, so we've got a little white out space for the address. Same design, same blue frosty background. Really like that actually. So that's quite cute. I might have to save this for Halloween themed mail because I know a lot of people love those kind of things. So definitely keeping that. Next up, I think another Halloween. I wonder if this one's like Halloween themed. Okay, Vivian, no spoilers. But this one is like a witch design. So we've got the lady with a hat and she seems to be creating magic of some sorts, and a really beautiful galaxy background. Again, I like the background more than I like the picture, but I'm not disappointed. This is actually quite cute. I actually have a pen pal. Like, that's like the first thing I think about. Which pen pal I'm going to use this paper for. I immediately know who this is going to. I might share some paper with her, but I'm also going to write my letter on that as well. So again, a keeper from me. Quite cute. Let me find the matching envelope. Oh gosh. Oh, that's actually so cool. Oh, like the envelope has like a cauldron on there as well, and it says witch's brew, autumn blooms, mandrake plant, all that kind of stuff. Actually, the envelope is even cooler. So again, we have the witch's design, the circles, really cool, but the cauldron is definitely really cool as well. So that, another keeper. This is going quite well. I have to admit, even from last month with the designs that were not really my style, I ended up keeping most of them anyway because I am kind of a hoarder. I just like letter writing paper. Don't blame me. Okay, so this is kind of funny. We go from like the Halloween themed stuff to the very cute stuff, which is this little air balloon with mice in it. It's quite simple, which is good. And yeah, again, I just want to make sure that you guys know that I'm not saying this because they are going to gift these to me in the future. I am still, because I paid for this with my own money, I feel comfortable sharing my own opinion. And normally I don't like animal themed stuff, usually, but this is quite cute. I like that the paper has a nice background as well with all of them, kind of. And that's just me, you know, I like cute and colorful paper. So this, again, a keeper for me. The envelope also really cute, and it has a little please deliver to information, and on the back we have some really adorable little birdies. I really like that the back also has something cute about it, because I like decorating the back with a wax seal, but I don't know, it's nice to have a special back as well. I don't know if I'm the only one. So another one I like. Let me know, don't forget to let me know in a comment down below which is your favorite design. Oh goodness, typewriters. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't know if you guys care about how I feel about these papers, but this, I love it. I don't think my camera is going to pick up on this, but the background also has a little bit of a pattern. It's basically a really light pink, and it has a little grit design and like a little grit pattern on there. But we have typewriters, which is absolutely adorable. These 3 colors. If I were a sticker designer, I would totally turn these into stickers. But funny thing is, I've actually been looking to buy a typewriter myself, and I want one that is working but vintage, but kind of pretty as well. If I could find a light blue one, I would be over the moon. I found a dozen light green ones that are really pretty, but they have the wrong, like the keys are in the wrong order, and I need them to be the same as my computer, because otherwise I don't know. I think that won't work. So this is actually my second favorite design. So the watercolor flowers, actually I don't know, they're like on a shared first space. like that. And the last one, I already saw a little sneak peek from the envelope, is a little koala design, which is very, very cute. We've got, first of all, the little ombre effect rainbow, which is really, really me. And then we've got a little koala, and I just said that I do not necessarily like animal prints, but koalas have a special place in my heart. Okay, wait, I can prove it to you. I've got my own little koala that's always at my desk because, I don't know, I lived in Sydney for 6 months and we would go to these nature parks all the time, and koalas are just really, really cute. So koalas have a special place in my heart. And that's actually the last design. We have this little... Also, this koala is me. It has a book or a journal and a cup of coffee. So we've got this little koala with a coffee and a book. And then on the front there's also one that's reading with little glasses. Quite adorable. So the only problem is that if they keep making designs that I'm going to keep all for myself, I'm going to end up with too much letter writing paper. I would love to write more letters, but I need the right space of mind. And I also love sharing letter writing paper with people because I know not everyone has a subscription to Papierre, and I know that a lot of people would probably love receiving some. So, gonna have to make some hard decisions. Although if I had to share some, it would probably be some of the Halloween paper and some of the mice. But then again, like I said, I am a little bit of a hoarder, so I also love keeping everything to myself. If you're still here, hi, I'm really glad you still are here. Let me know in a comment down below if you liked the designs of this month, which one was your favorite, and if you signed up, I would also love to know, of course. One last thing I do want to tell you is that I actually stopped or paused all of my stationery subscriptions from now on. This one I'm of course going to get as well, but I stopped Pipsticks and I stopped the Paper Gang, and that is because I'm currently saving for a better tripod, because we're now like at an angle, and if I get a better tripod I might be able to film like directly from above, which should be way better, because sometimes people complain that they feel like they're upside down when they're watching my videos. So I'm actually probably for at least a month I'm only going to be doing the Papierre unboxings, but maybe I will resubscribe again in the future. It's just, as you could probably tell, I have a lot of stuff now and I need to save some money for the tripod because it's actually very expensive. It's like 170 euros. So yeah, I'm actually going to be saving some of my YouTube earnings for a few months until I can afford that. That's actually it for today's video. We're getting very dark, but I hope it was still okay to watch. Okay, enough rambling from my side. I hope you all have an amazing day. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, also for pen pal ideas and more of the Papierre unboxings. And I will see you again very, very soon. Okay, bye bye.